prove that cos power 6 theta minus sin power 6 theta is equal to cos 2 theta bracket 1 minus 1 by 4 sin square 2 theta. We have to prove this. So take LHS here. While taking LHS, cos power 6 theta minus sin power 6 theta. After taking LHS, here is 6, here also power 6, so we have to convert whole power cube. So you can see here cos square theta whole cube minus sin square theta whole cube. If here is power 6, we have to convert in the power of 3. If here is 8, then square. Now look at here, this is in the form of a cube minus b cube. What is the formula of a cube minus b cube? I will mention here formula 2. A cube minus b cube formula is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Now you can see here in the place of a, here we have cos square theta, and in the place of b sin square theta. In the place of a cos square theta, in the place of b sin square theta. So we have to use that formula. A minus b means cos square theta minus sin square theta. Similarly, a square plus ab plus b square, or you can write a square b square plus ab. So cos square theta whole square plus sin square theta whole square plus ab means cos square theta sin square theta, cos square theta sin square theta. I'm writing in this pattern. You can see here, you can understand a square plus b square plus ab, a square plus b square plus ab. Why to do like this? We have to use formula of a square plus b square. That's why we can do, or you can write in this form or in this form. If you write in this form, we have to arrange once, then we can convert in the form of a square plus b square. One line you have to do more. Now you can see here cos square theta minus sin square theta. This is the formula of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. In RHS you can see here we have cos 2 theta. We got cos 2 theta. So no need to convert this cos 2 theta now. Now we have to solve this one, and we have to convert in the form of 1 minus 1 by 4 sin square 2 theta. Now look at here how to convert. You can see here this is in the form of these two terms, first term, second term, this one in the form of a square plus b square. Now we have to use the formula of a square plus b square. What is the formula of a square plus b square? A plus b whole square minus 2ab, because we need here minus. Another formula is a minus b whole square plus 2ab. If you use a minus b whole square plus 2ab, we can get 3, but we need here in the form of minus, not plus, so we can use this one, cos square theta plus sin square theta whole square minus 2ab, 2 cos square theta sin square theta plus cos square theta sin square theta. You can see here the formula of a square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab, and in the place of a you can see here what is in the place of a, cos square theta, and in the place of b here is sin square theta. So we can write cos square theta plus sin square theta whole square minus 2ab means cos square theta sin square theta. This one same you have to write. Now you can see these two are like term, cos square theta sin square theta, cos square theta sin square theta. So we can solve this one. Cos 2 theta, this cos square theta plus sin square theta means 1, so we have to write here 1 whole square 1, and when you subtract this 2 we get cos square theta sin square theta. Hope you understand up to here. Now look at here, we have to prove 1 by 4 sin square 2 theta. Now we have to convert this in the form of sine. What is the formula of sin 2 theta? Here we need sin 2 theta. What is the formula of sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta. We have sin theta here? Yes, we have. Cos theta also we have? Yes. Now we need 2 sin theta cos theta. Now how to keep here 2? We have to think. Look at here once. Cos 2 theta, 1 square we can write 1 minus 1 by 4. Look at properly here, 2 sin theta cos theta whole square. Write on here curly bracket, then at last we can write big bracket. Now you can see here we have to convert in the form of 2 sin theta cos theta. Why to convert in 2 sin theta cos theta? We need sin 2 theta, that's why. Now 2 2 square, this sine square theta is here, cos theta square cos square theta, but 2 is from outside. 2 square means 4, and here I gave here 1 by 4. It means 1 by 4 into 4, it will be cancelled. So what is remaining? Sine square theta cos square theta. Same thing. Here I wrote 1 by 4 and here 2. 2 square means 4. 1 by 4 into 4 sine square theta cos square theta. 4 and 4 cancel, remaining sine square theta cos square theta. Same. Why to do like this? To convert in the form of sine 2 theta. Okay. Now cos 2 theta 1 minus 1 by 4. Now 2 sine theta cos theta. What is the formula of 2 sine theta cos theta? This, no need, you can write up to here like this. Now 2 sine theta cos theta. What is the formula of sine 2 theta? We have to write here is square. Okay. Now cos 2 theta 1 minus 1 by 4 sine 2 theta square means sine square 2 theta. What we have to prove? Cos 2 theta 1 minus 1 by 4 sine square 2 theta, RHS proved. Once look at once again from start, taking LHS cos power 6 theta minus sin power 6 theta. If power 6, always we have to convert power whole power 3. Now this in the form of a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube formula is there. A cube minus b cube, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab, or a square plus ab plus b square. You as always you can write. Now this is cos square theta minus sin square theta. The value of cos square theta minus sin square theta means cos theta. Formula of cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. And after this, a square plus b square. Formula of a square plus b square, we have to use a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, plus this one write down. These two are like terms, so we can solve. When you solve, we get here is minus 2, here is 1, so it will be minus 1. So cos square theta sin square theta, and sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1. So 1, here is a square, 1 square 1. Now we have to convert this in the form of sin 2 theta, because we need here sin 2 theta. So here we have to write down 2. Formula of sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So we wrote here 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 square means 4, so that's why we wrote here 1 by 4, so we can cancel. Now this is the formula of sin 2 theta. Okay, sin 2 theta square means sin square 2 theta. Other we have to copy it same. Hope you understand this question.